First, we'll open up our glove box, and then we'll want to pinch in on the sides, and that'll release these two little tabs. There's one on this side, one on the other. And then there's a little rod right here we just want to pop off. Now our whole glove box can come down, and we can pop it off like that and just set it on the floor. That gives us access to our heater box. Let me show you a little closer. Right here's our heater box, and our cabin filter is right behind this cover. So you just want to pull on one side, then pull on the other, and this whole thing will slide out. Just like that. That's a really dirty cabin filter. Let's remove this old one and install the new one. So the old one is locked in underneath these little tabs. We'll just pull it up and around. Try to do it one-handed. It should be pretty easy. Just like that. Now we'll put in our new one, and we'll just put it under those tabs. There, just like that. Now let's put it back in the car. It's just a matter of sliding it back in. Just like that. Push it in until it kind of locks, and that's it. Let's put our glove box back on. So we want to put our little hooks on the bottom in first and push. That locks them in, and then this little arm here, we'll put that on. Perfect. Then we'll pinch in our sides again just a little, push it back in, and that's it. Job complete.